Did you know that the principles of lightning formation during thunderstorms can inspire a unique wellness technique? Just as lightning requires a buildup of electrical energy, our bodies need a balance of positive and negative ions for optimal health. Research shows that spending time in nature, especially during or after a storm, can help restore this balance. The negative ions generated by lightning and rain can enhance mood, boost energy, and improve overall well-being. Next time a storm rolls in, consider it a natural wellness opportunity. Embrace the storm and recharge your body naturally.